stay sliding. Yes, sir. Yeah, I like this Leaf bike motor kit, man. It be sliding. They make some good kits, so if anybody want a good kit, Leaf bike motors make some great kits. Slow, I'm telling you now. Get on down the street. You get out the middle of the road. Man, everybody going slow tonight. I don't like that. Hey. I'm trying to keep it pushing, you know. I just don't like to ride slow no more. I mean, if you got a fast bike, what you ride slow for? other ideas, don't you, Blue? Just look at you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What we got? What we got? What we got? That's where we at, baby. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Whew. Rain no went away. It's time to ride tonight, baby. Whew. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Damn. My tire level went down. I had to make sure that thing tight. Alright. We getting the 360, the far driver 360. We getting that put on the 3,000 watt bike. Gonna see how that work out. I'm anxious to get that back. I want to see what that little 3,000 watt motor can do. Yeah. As long as it hit over 60, I'm straight. If I can get it to hit over 60, I'm straight. I ain't greedy. I mean, yes I am. But yeah, that thing gotta be running too though. Hit 48. Oh man, no wonder. Let's go in mode 5. Alright. I was in mode 4, but still. Jack it up to mode 5. Since we're in traffic. I don't know. Hey, this sucker moving, man. Oh man, they back there, man. Don't do it, don't do it. I don't even consider this to be fast anymore. I think this slow. You gotta get to 60. When you're at 60 miles per hour and better, to me, that's fast. This right here, this running. Your bike gotta be running. It's gotta at least be running. So now he finally catching up now because I'm biking down. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is. Thing putting in work. Dot, dot, dot. Ah. Gotta make a pit stop at the store. Yeah, this Leaf bike motor kit really putting in work for me. I like that. All right, I gotta run in the store. Y'all be right. I'll be right back. Stop this thing up. We got traffic coming behind us. No sir. We got to go. Oh man, I gotta get to the bridge. There we go. 'cause I went down here last time and had to turn around. Deja vu. I done this before. Got down here and had to turn around. I think I went the other way. Yeah, I did this before. Oh, I had to turn around. I had to go to the right. Instead of just cutting through there, I made a circle, a loop back around. It's all good though. You know they had a Cracker Barrel right there. I don't want back there. A little one time. See ya. Ride over here. $49 max speed. Oh, she gonna do it. What? Shit, I'll take that initiative. I'll go first. Sure will. I came through here late night one time. I did see it was a coyote over there, man. I was like, kind of where he come from? It was big. I don't know what it was. It could have been something else, but it was a big old cat looking thing. He was just running across the field. I said, man, what the heck is that? Never found out what it was. A flashlight going dead. The best I can be. Damn. We try this at home. Go, 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 go. What you stopping for? What you stopping for, big dog? What you stopping for? Ooh. They're scrubbing. So cut through the road. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go there for the old school way. I remember when they didn't even have that way. You just had to come through here. We had to cut through the motel to come to the crazy. You had to go in the back of the motel. Come from there to get to the mall. Long time ago. Oh. See if I can jump out here in front of this diesel. But not in front of him, but ahead of him. Oh, he's back there. Glasses. Gotta make sure you keep your glasses. My clear glasses. I wasn't gonna jump on the road, but I got you now. It's a bike lane. Yeah. Get on over here. Alright. Oh! 50? 51? Nah. I got a little downhill, a little action, but it hit 50. We at 51. Oh, I got it full throttle. Oh, yeah. Oh. Woo. All right. It hit 51. And it was trying to stay at 51. Oh, my goodness. Got to get you a leaf bike motor engine, man. I mean, the efficiency on these things are crazy. Oh boy, that was fun. All right, let's go. Flat around. He's just not gonna let me win. He was just gassing that thing. So I ain't gonna let no e-bike whoop me. Max speed 51 miles per hour. Oh. Looking at me like I ain't supposed to belong on the road. Gotta watch for the cars coming off the side road. Alright. Come on. I know you turning. Let's go. Go ahead and turn. I'm turning too. Let's get it. Just tell. Yeah. All right, we on the 1500 watt leaf bike motor kit. I just wanted to take it out for a ride tonight. Yeah, we hit 52. It say 52 max speed, but that was a little help going downhill. 51, 52. But yeah, this is EV Bike Rides. I'm out.